Buying a new toy.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Please open this.
Audio Jungle.
Toy.
Audio Jungle.
What is that, Sophia?
Ariel bubble.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Oh,
Wait a second. This mix in the bubble.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
How come cotton seesaw? I get cotton seesaw. Really? I cut it. I cut it.
Audio Jungle.
Yeah. How many batteries do you need?
Audio Jungle.
Four. Four.
Let's put it inside.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, let's put the bubble in here. Open.
Audio Jungle.
Or here. Button. Where's the power button? Oh, the green one. Oh, that's so many bubbles. Blow, blow. What's the taste? Bitter. like it?
Yeah! Yeah! Bubble. Bubble. Puppet.
Oh, the tables already do it.
Yeah. And so fun spin and don't stretch. This is a big one. Look, look. Wow. I love it, Simon. Hop it. Hop it. Hop it. Hop, 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 hop. Ooh, a puppet.
Where did you buy that? Yeah.
So fun.
Yeah.
What?
Where did you buy that?
The Ariel and the Bob.
No more.
Ching, 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 ching. Ready? Like a puppet. Pop, pop, pop. Hey,
Oop.
Stick, the stick. Wow, are you right here? Wow, this is the biggest. Wow, new needs, new needs. Pop, I pop it. Wow! Soon, over here. Look! Look, see this. Look at this. I guess it's a rabbit. Uh-oh. It's floating. Floating. Wow! Look at it. Look at that. No. I got it. Hey, gotcha. A table set. No, it's not ready. And that's here. Woo! Hey!
You like your toys?
Wow! Baba is subscribe.